Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to wipe an iPhone on iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone on your iOS 26, so let's see how can you easily wipe up your iPhone. So you just have to go ahead to your settings app in settings, but first of all you have to make sure that you have backup of your data because it will delete everything from your phone. It might be your photos, videos, your accounts, and much more. So you must have to get the backup. And once you have backup, you can easily try this. Just have to open up your settings. From main settings, go for general, and here you have to scroll down and look for transfer or reset iPhone. Simply select this option, then select erase all content and settings. And from here you'll get the warning that if you want to erase this phone, you will get your apps and data out. And size, there you can see there's a 30.53 GB size, and your Apple account and file map will also be erased. So if you want to, you can see there's a description. Erasing will sign up your Apple account and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded or given. So you can easily remove this from your iPhone. Simply select the continue option, and here you have to select erase iPhone. Once you have selected, it will give you that this your data is uploading to iCloud. If you want to skip your backup, you must have to skip backup option, or you can easily backup your data from here. Once you have that, you just have to confirm with your Apple account password. So here you have to enter your Apple account password. After entering your Apple account password, you have to simply tap on this turn off option. And here, once you have that, your phone will be automatically erased. It will erase everything from your phone. So you must have to wait for its loading. And after loading, your mobile will be restarted. So in this way, you can easily wipe up your iPhone on iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.